Hey guys, it's Hepsi, and I have been saving up my quail eggs because today we're going to be pickling them. So I have 25 quail eggs, and the first thing we're going to do is get a pot with water. We're going to place them here and bring it to a boil and let them boil for 4 minutes. So while the quail eggs are starting to boil, I'm going to get the ice bath ready. So it's just ice and some water, and then we're going to get the brine going. So for the brine, you'll need 1 cup of vinegar, half a cup of water, and then I'll list all the ingredients that I have in the bowl that we're gonna put once everything's done. So I'm excited. And then there's my, hey, can you close the door? No? So it is starting to boil. I'm gonna set the timer for 4 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, I have transferred the quail eggs into the ice bath. We're gonna get the brine ready. So we're gonna do 1 cup of white vinegar, half a cup of water, and then the rest of your spices, sugar, and salt. Once this comes to a boil, we're gonna simmer it for 2 or 3 minutes. After that, we just wanna make sure that the sugar and salt get dissolved. While we're waiting for the brine to be done, I'm gonna go ahead and peel the eggs. I always get excited when they come out perfect. Okay, so the eggs are all peeled, the brine is done, and we're just gonna put it and pack it in a jar. So that's what we'll do right now. And if y'all have different, I guess, ingredients that y'all use for the brine, let me know, because I'm wanting to try different recipes for it. So we'll put all of these in here. Oh. I'm gonna pour our brine. Ooh, that's perfect. I'll put our bay leaf and our garlic in there. Literally perfect, you guys. And it's all packed. So we're gonna let it cool to room temperature and then place it in the fridge. And it says to wait at least 24 to 48 hours before eating. So we're gonna do that, and I'm super excited. Leave your recipes down so I can try those as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and follow us. Thank you.